Hi, I'm Tommy. I am a 3D developer based in Las Vegas, and I've spent years building interactive 3D visualization for the web. I do one thing really well. I take something complicated and turn it into an experience people can explore, interact with, and actually understand on their browser. Companies bring me their products, their courses, training programs, their ideas and concepts, and I build the 3D visualization that makes it click. It drops straight into your existing website, your app, your training programs, your LMS, your trade show booth, wherever you need it. I work solo, I move fast, and I build each one custom to your unique business needs. Most of what I build falls into a few buckets. Web-based 3D training simulations, learning games for LMS, 3D medical content, interactive product tours, advanced industrial machinery configurators, immersive web experiences overall. Different industries, same idea. Interactive 3D visualization that makes complex things click. If this sounds like something you need, reach out. I'd love to build it with you.